What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. We got a quick update today. Hey, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to subscribe. Now, I got a lot of FUD coming in right now. A lot of people, telling me, in the comments, like the market pulled back a little further than you called it. Not even a little bit. We had a nice, massive sell-off in all, basically digital asset markets, crypto markets, stock markets. Everything just took a pullback. Now, if y'all been, depending on the timeline, y'all been following me, I've been telling y'all that, yes, we can do technical analysis, and it does, work to a certain extent. But if a huge catalyst comes in the market, something like the entire crypto market being down by 11%, being led by Bitcoin being dragged down almost 10%, 11%, the entire S&P 500 being down, NASDAQ being down, we cannot, account for that. That is a catalyst that, came out of the blue. Nobody can account for that. Nobody had that perfectly timed, like, okay, and it's about to happen now. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't work like that. Or everybody would have had, the best, they would have timed their put options perfectly, to time that decline in stocks. And for y'all that don't know what put options are, those are for the people that are basically betting that the market will go down. So yes, those people made a lot of money during this short period of time right here, but I guarantee you nobody just had it timed perfectly like that to the T. It just doesn't work like that. So join our private investment community on Facebook if you want to stay up to date with the market and things that are going on and other plays as well. I know a lot of people are here for shibainu, which is what we cover mainly, but there's other things happening. Right now, a lot of people ask me, they're panicking. They ask me, am I worried right now? No, I'm not worried. And I honestly don't think a lot of y'all should be worried. If, let's say you've been in the market since, we've been covering some of these projects, we are still up. Even with Shiba Inu being dragged down, yes, 31% for the week. Guess what? We are still up nicely from the current time where we got in. Why? Because time in the market beats timing the market. It's not a get rich overnight or even in a month type of thing. Yes, the market can have pullbacks. I try to tell y'all, this is the wild, wild west. It is highly volatile. Things can go down 60%, 60 to 80%. Drop in the comment section if y'all remember. In all my beginning videos, I told y'all we could be seeing pullbacks of 60 to 80%. And a few months ago, before everything began to take off again, I was telling y'all that I felt a pullback in Bitcoin was coming to $30,000. A lot of people told me, I was a little bit crazy for thinking that. And, I didn't want to believe that, but that's what the charts in Bitcoin was telling us, that it was likely to want to pull back to around that range. Now, we didn't just get an exact 30, but it wasn't too surprising that it could possibly pull back around that range. Now, when I first said I was expecting it to do that, the markets took off. So I was like, okay, well, I guess it didn't have that pullback. But now we're starting to see that. Now, why? A lot of money. I covered this in my video yesterday. I see a lot of people didn't watch it all the way through. I had like 2 people comment and, they didn't understand what was actually going on. So I'll pull up another article today to give you the 3 main reasons of what's happening right now. But no, I'm not worried because this is just a healthy correction. It is a very big correction. One of the biggest sell-off we ever seen in one day yesterday. But at the same time, this is an opportunity for serious investors and those that understand investing is, is a journey, is a marathon. These people have an opportunity to buy their favorite projects at an even bigger discount. So no, I did not call the pullback. I didn't expect it to go this far back, but who wouldn't want to be buying SHIB loading up at, the 19s? We just had a chance to buy at the 19s. I knew that wouldn't last long. Now we're already back at the 21 levels. I hope some of y'all scoop some up on that dip. Yes, we were calling buy it at all the key support levels going down. Why? Because we're dollar cost averaging. That's what you want to do. It's 3 things you want to do when the market is down. You want to, 1, assess why is it down? Is it because of government regulation? Is it because, was there some type of FUD, or was there a big scare in the market? Did, a whale cause, sell off? Was there a vulnerability in something? Did people lose faith in something? And right now we can see it's because of federal regulations right now. So we got Russia talking about banning mining and basically cryptocurrency going forward in the future. They're speculating on that. You know, we always see them talk about it, but it never really happens because honestly, I believe crypto is unstoppable by any one government. They would literally have to shut the entire internet system down, which is not going to happen. And then we have, you know, the Federal Reserve talking about boosting interest rates, which normally crypto is used as a hedge against, you know, rising rates. But right now, at the moment, with regulation talks coming in from, you know, other countries, China, Russia, as well as the U.S., and interest rates, people are basically just taking all profits off the table. A lot of people waited till after that tax period, that 1 year, you know, mark to get the short term, you know, to get, you know, move past the short term capital gains tax. You know, you have to be over 1 year. And a lot of people are pulling that profit off the table right now. And also what the big institutional money is doing is also running the market down, betting that things will go down. They're making money right now that, you know, that while the market is falling, and, you know, moving a lot of paper hands out of the market so that way they can come buy up these positions for the low. And now this next run we see, they make money on that run because you don't always have to make a new all-time high to make money. The name of the game is buy low, sell high at any point, no matter how long you keep it for. You want to at one point buy it for cheaper than at the, you know, time that you sell it, whether it's you know, in a week, a day, you know, years down the line. You just want the price to be higher than where you bought it. And that's what these institutions are doing. They're shaking the weak hands loose. They're shaking the tree, getting everybody off, bringing the prices down. You know, they're taking their profits off the table, you know, putting you know, money on the table at home, and, you know, also at the same time causing enough FUD or fear in the market to shake the new investors off that might have bought at the top. They're locking their money in by allowing those investors to get shaken out, which locks in their losses. It's not a real loss. It's only a paper loss. It's only an unrealized loss unless you sell. Until you sell, you haven't really actually lost, unless you're holding an option contract. Then that's a little different. We'll talk about that later. But, you know, I just want to kind of give you all some insight of what's going on overall. And I hope y'all can understand, you know, this is just a part of the market. This happens. This happened last year. Imagine in the beginning of, you know, 2020, I mean, you know, think of how low the markets hit then. The people that bought then, they're very happy right now, even with the price still, you know, being, you know, everything being ran down right now. This is only for the moment, y'all. So, you know, just don't allow this. You know, sometimes, like, I didn't drop a video yesterday because sometimes you got to give the market some time to settle. Let the dust settle. You know what I'm saying? Let things clear up a little bit. Understand where, you know, where we are, and then, you know, move forward. You don't have to look at your portfolio every day. If it's driving you, I looked at the markets yesterday and I just laughed. I was like, you know, I bought some more of the things I wanted to buy, but I didn't know how far it was going to continue to pull back. So, you know, I threw a little on the ones that I wanted, and I'm just waiting for it to find a key support, and, you know, we'll go from there. It's that simple. And time's going to pass and things will be back up again. That's all it is. So SHIB right now is, or excuse me, Bitcoin, we got at that 35 level. It looks like it pulled all the way down to about 34, just about $34,187. So the 35 level was a key, like a very scary level for Bitcoin to go under. Honestly, I think it could pull back to 30,000, and from there, I believe whales, institutional money, will buy it like never before. Remember, we have whole countries, you know, buying Bitcoin now, putting Bitcoin, like El Salvador, putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets now. They've been buying Bitcoin at 60,000. You don't think if Bitcoin drops to 30,000 that an entire country is going to load up? Bitcoin ain't going nowhere, y'all. And Bitcoin controls, you know, they say wherever the head goes, the body will follow. Bitcoin is the head of the crypto market. So if Bitcoin is going down, it will pull these other crypto assets down with it. And once it finds support, you know, the people who are using technical analysis, they'll be able to understand where the key support levels are. They'll enter right there, and we'll see the market find support and build its way back up. That's all that's happening, y'all. So Bitcoin discount. Everything is on discount right now, y'all. The entire market is down 4.79%. Even the S&P 500 is down about 5%. So when we see that happening, we know that, you know, the crypto market is going to get hit as well. So, you know, prices, assets right now are at, you know, 6-month lows right now. So if you've been buying during this 6 months, right now is still the time to dollar cost average, you know, into these positions. Is not saying, I remember, I always say never risk more than you're willing to lose, but dollar cost average into your favorite positions, and then also diversify outside of just crypto. You know, you can be buying dividend stocks. You know, we got stocks like Walmart, AT&T, Verizon, Ellington Financial. These are companies that pay dividends. So even when the stock market is going down, you still, it's like basically receiving reflections from crypto, but you don't pay the high taxes, you know, for the tokenomics or the buy and sell tax that you see in crypto. So that's what you want to do. Start looking into, you know, high yielding dividend stocks. Load up on some of those blue chip ones though. Don't just jump into like any random company right now, but solid companies that have been around for a while, maybe companies that you use every day. Look into which ones provide dividends and start adding some of those to your portfolio as well. I hope some of y'all have stocks as well, not just crypto. You should not just be holding crypto. Remember, crypto is highly volatile, even more volatile than the stock market. So you could wake up one day and the entire crypto market be down 90%. So you don't want to have a majority of your wealth. Even if you do, you want to have, you know, a good amount in other areas too. Never put all your eggs in one basket. So let's take a look at SHIB real quick. Dogecoin 13%. SHIB is back above Polygon. Remember, SHIB dropped below Polygon for a while in total market capitalization. But with this pullback we're seeing a lot of money come out of Polygon right now, or Matic. And let's take a look right now. Let's look left in the chart, see where we found support. And we found support right at this key breakout, right, that we seen that confirmed it in October, that basically set everything off. Right after that first smart money came in, right at that second one, what they did was pulled all this money off the table, and we starting fresh again. That's all it is. But guess what? If you've been in, we're still up. If you've been buying all these months here, dollar cost averaging, we're still up from here. You're still up. So, you know, let's take a look at what percentage that is. From the lowest point, if you've been buying, we're still up. We're still up over 300%. So some of y'all are complaining. It just literally shows that you bought in somewhere here in the high. For people that been in for a while, that allow time in the market to be timing the market, we are doing fine. So just give it time. If you're one of these people that bought the top, just be patient. Your time will come. But that's all we got for this video. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Reach out to me if you would like to enter my private Discord. We've been calling plays, man. I'm telling you, like, Madden, it's crazy over there. During the time that the market has been down, we've been seeing over 2,000% gains. We had plays over 40x. That means 40x. $1,000 would have turned to $40,000. We had plays go 20x in this last week. So tap in with me, man. The Discord, if you would like to enter, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Please do not fall for any scammers pretending to be me on social media. I will not reach out to you first. You have to, you know, contact me first. Check the description section of this video for official contact links. And that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.